What's going on, guys? So today we have another video. We're going to be installing the console ambient / illuminate light. It's going to be in the center of the console. It's going to be two little lights where you basically can see it when you first get into the car, which looks pretty dope at night. So let's jump right into the video. You guys can see this is the red console illumination kit. This is the part number right here. I'm gonna post a link in the description for the best price, so you guys cop these as well. There's nothing in the box right now. We already took the wiring harness out, and it comes with zip ties and a bunch of screws so you can mount the console illumination light. All right, so we're gonna be disconnecting the battery, and the whole thing should slide off just like that. So negative is off. So we're gonna be starting in the interior part. As you guys can see, I maxed off places so it doesn't get scratched up on the side. And what we bought, and I'm gonna post the link in the description, is some pry tools. So I'm gonna put the same set so you guys go ahead and cop some, and of course it's red. And that's why I put that tape right there. Yep, that's why I put that tape there, because it has that little indentation at the end of it. There we go. Careful. Yep, there we go. So you gotta be very careful. So you just push it down. Give it a second, let me see. There we go. What size is that? A 14. You put it right there. You hold down the shift nut
with a screwdriver. You hold the nut right here, and you turn this counterclockwise.
Correct, and it frees it. Yep. So just like that. So now you have this off. So we're gonna put this aside somewhere. Take those screws out. There's one here. So these two screws lifts up the whole thing. Yep, there's two clips. There's a clip on this side, on the other side.
That's good.
Yeah, that one's free. The two front ones need to be free now. There we go. There we go. There we go. So he's taking that nut off. That nut has to come off. Wait. There we go. Yep. And the next one, that one's kind of small.
There you go. Right there on the side.
There we go.
Okay, what else we gotta move now?
So you can be able to just lift the tray in the middle. So the tray should just come up, or you can use a pry tool and stick it in that corner. You got a pry tool still with you? Yeah. It should just, lift up, just like that. But Mr. Muscles here, yeah, it just comes out. We have to do the screws on the side.
Screws again. These ones here.
Yep. So he's gonna do these screws, and then there's another one up top that's by the climate side. Then I'm gonna do this side up here. It should be out. And he's gonna do the other side over there. You see the shifter assembly and everything right there. The tray's out. There's another screw right there. In the middle, he's taking out. Yep. Okay, so now we gotta do something else.
But you got some. You got something up here.
Yep. Yep. Same thing on the other side. Careful. Yep.
Pull these things up.
Yep. All Alright guys, just be careful because the head unit is right there. Luckily, our car is still new. You got that plastic on there. But be very careful and watch for that shifter in the front too when you plug them out. Because you will scratch up your AC. Now he's going to take out those 2 screws in the middle. Be very careful moving the whole piece out. To be able to take this out, we have to take these pieces out.
Get a pry tool, put underneath.
In the middle.
Pull up.
And it pops out. Like that. Just lifts up. Just go straight up. And then you gotta watch the radio. This is the center console piece. Now we're taking off the side pieces. There we go. So they got those 2 tabs on the side that you push down right there and right there to pull the side pieces off. The driver's side is longer than the passenger side.
Okay. Let's go with driver then. The driver side is longer, you said?
So we're gonna cut out the template. Of course, you can see left and right. On each of them, they're labeled with an R. There's an R right there, and the other one has an L on there, right there. So the one over here is gonna be for the left side, which has the L. So this one is gonna be LA, like you guys see, it says right there, LA. The middle one is LB. And then LC is going to look like that all the way to that edge like that. So this is the left side. And you can see the L right there. And that should be the longer one. So RB is going to go right there. And then RC is going to go right there. As you guys can see. There is going to be another one, RA, but we got to put it on here. So I'm going to show you guys in a second. So the other RA is going to be on the back of the console, which is facing just like this, right? So you're starting off with the 1/8, 3/16.
5/64. This is the right side.
So now you say we're going to go 3/16.
Yep. Just the left side. One that we use at 5/64, and the second one 3/16. Okay. And now we're gonna go with the bigger one here. We're gonna go with the 7/32 now.
So now we're going to take the tape off of them. The left side is the longer one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it goes through that hole.
Oh no, 3 screws. Forget all about that.
What did that one go to?
So we gotta be up here like this then.
No.
Okay, where lines? Okay, where lines up?
Sorry.
Okay, that's where it lines up right there. Alright, let me see something here. Okay, this is how it's gonna Okay, got the finished product right there. Right.
Yeah, that's what we drilled before.
We're gonna put this back on. Okay, there we go. So where is that? Oh, there it is.
You see it?
Yeah.
So the hole you drilled at the bottom, the screw, goes into the Alright guys, so this is the part we finished up last night. This is how it looks. Just like that. Driver's side has a longer side and the passenger has a shorter side. There is that screw we drilled in that actually goes into the side of the lighting. So that's how it looks. I don't know if the video cut off before it ran out of space, but there you go. We're plugging the white 4-pin that's already in the vehicle into the harness like that. And it's, as you can see, this is the driver's side. So the fuse and everything's on this side. The small longer one with that hose is on the passenger side with the cover, with the foam cover.
Alright, there we go.
Okay, gotta bring the wires through, right? So right now he's clipping them. They actually go across from each other. So what he's doing is clipping them underneath that big metal piece.
Okay, this side here, the lighting for this side here plugs into the yellow and red wire from over here that runs underneath here, and the one wire that comes on the harness plugs into the driver's side, harness right here for this light on the driver's side.
Where the fuse is.
Where the fuse is at over here. Alright, so everything is in now, so you just gotta put this back in and then put in the charger and everything, and we should be good. We should be fine. Yeah, we gotta put this screw back in here. That's this one here.
The main black one?
Yeah, put this stuff back on here.
The 4-pin goes into what, this one, right?
Goes there.
Push it down a little bit. Okay. And then this one. And then it's supposed to clip in. Are you just making sure everything?
Yeah, making sure everything clears. Okay, this supposed to clip in, right?
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
And then you gotta put the screws in. Alright guys, so I turned the car on. So when you come in the car, as you guys can see, the console illuminate light right now is not on because the switch up here is off. There's also an auto, so this car comes with an auto. So let's say you put it on auto, and depending on the night, the lights will come on. So right now it's pretty dark and dim outside, and probably at the time head unit and everything recognizes all of that because it's auto. I'm trying to get used to all these new cars, guys. But yeah, it comes on, right? So let's say if it's an auto and during the day it doesn't come on, you just have to turn on your park lights and they will come on. So this is how it looks. The driver's side has a longer light, which looks pretty dope. Very clean, looks really nice. So while you're driving and everything, it will look like that. So that is pretty dope. Passenger side as well. So now when you go over to the passenger side, it looks like that. Looks very clean. Of course, the passenger side, like I said, is a bit shorter, but you can still see over here, and it looks really dope. So that's how the passenger side looks. Everything is lit up. That looks sick. All right, guys, so that's it for the end of the video. If you guys really enjoyed the video of installing the console light, definitely smash the like button. And also, guys, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe, because there is a lot of new videos that can be dropping soon that you do not want to miss. And also hit the notification bell so you do not miss out when the video drops. I really hope these interior install videos are really helping you guys out with installing parts for your Civic Type R. I've seen a lot of people hit me up saying that they really enjoyed the install and it helped them out a lot. That's it, guys. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day and make it happen. Peace.